What's up, fam? Yep. Rain, go away, come again another day. Guess what? I'm still in it. Yes, day 27. Let's move. It's gonna be quick. Cause guess what? It is sprinkling. You know what? I should have had an umbrella, but I don't. I just want you to know that I am moving. Yep, we moving. Yep, we moving. It's gonna be quick, y'all. Keep on being in it. Y'all keep on being in it. Y'all keep on moving. We keeping on grooving. Yep, we still moving. Y'all. Keep moving. Keep on going. I can't go that way. My son with me. I in the air. Where you at? Come on here. He got on his hoodie. I took my bonnet off. Why I do that? I should have left it on. He throwing a light on me, y'all. He helping me out. Y'all, come on, look. Come here, Eric. Look, that's going to be my thumbnail. Y'all, stop.
Your makeup get messed up.
I don't care. I'm finna take it off anyway. Y'all, stop, Eric. Stop. Y'all, this just a real quick walk. Y'all, come on, Eric. We're gonna run to the house. Come on. Y'all, I'm finna leave him. He probably try to run in front of me. You know, y'all. Come on, Eric. It's a puddle right there. But y'all be happy.